What if we can bottle the spirit of man's best friend?
We're not talking slobber. We're talking about loyalty, warmth, and a playful bite.
We're making a Brew Broz original, the Golden Growl.
That's right. Intro.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Joey.
And it's your boy Kareem and Lukey Duke.
We're right in the middle of our 30-day, 30 video challenge.
So, this is Rum Week.
And in honor of our mascot, Mr. Lukey Duke here, we're going to make a Brew Broz original drink.
Oh, it wants to get on the table.
I think Lukey Duke's trying to escape.
Let's get into it. So, we're going to...
First thing you're going to do is grab your 2 limes right there.
Uh-huh.
Throw it into... Yeah, that one.
1, 2.
Grab yourself a little bit of rosemary.
Okay, doesn't matter.
And break off snap that in half and throw that bad boy in there.
Boom.
Okay. Grab the mole and the Angostura bitters. So about 2 dashes each.
That was crazy a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It comes out pretty quickly. The first one always just kind of dips fast. Grab the jigger and the simple syrup and do 1/2 ounce of that.
Okay.
Okay. Throw a couple ice cubes in there.
I'm not going to muddle it.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. You have to muddle it. You're right. My bad. Use the baseball bat.
Can't beat that with the bat.
You could get with this, or you can get with that. Ooh, that was an onyx, right? No, that wasn't.
No,
onyx.
that was black sheep.
A black sheep. Wow, whatever happens to them. Were they considered a one-hit wonder?
No, they actually had a couple of other hits.
Dang.
Flavor of the month.
I don't know if I remember that one.
You don't remember? I can't believe you have to have the fever for the flavor.
Oh, that was it? I never knew the name of that song. Ah, that's interesting.
All right.
So then you're going to grab your ice cubes.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to throw a couple bad boys in there. Lock it up. Flip it and shake.
All right. Or
now you gotta. No, it's the other way. It's the other way. Because if you do it the way you just had it before, the actual alcohol might spill out of the drink.
Mm.
Notice how that one mouth is into the other.
Yeah.
Not the mouth, but one lid is wider than the other.
Mm-hmm. All right. And you said dump the entire contents.
Dump all contents in there and make sure you throw a bunch of ice in there.
Am I missing something?
Oh yeah, we forgot the alcohol.
Like, am I missing something?
Okay. Take 2. Add a little bit more ice cubes to that.
Look,
we're using this one. Okay, so now you need to add 2 ounces of the dark rum.
Okay.
And hopefully it's 45-degree angle. Don't pour it directly down because then it won't stop.
Like now?
Like
Okay.
that. Yes. 1/2 ounce of the spiced rum. I can't believe we did that. That's what happens when we start talking about black sheep.
Yeah. There you go.
And 1/2 ounce of the pineapple juice.
All right. Are you going to stop for me?
It should. It stopped for me.
Okay.
Nope. It didn't stop. Fail. Now you lock it and shake it. So now pour the contents out into the cup. Kareem's big old bear paws. And then top off with the ginger beer.
Okay. express it.
You scared the crap out of Luke.
And we're back.
So let's try out Lukey Duke's Golden Growl.
Click.
Cheers.
Clack.
Clack. Smell the bad boy. I smell the rosemary.
Yeah.
I don't smell anything else, right? Sort of smells like, you ever walk into an herb garden
Yeah.
and then you get those fresh herbs coming right at you? And it's probably because we have the herb right on top.
It's not a bad smell.
No, not at all, but that's the only thing I'm smelling. You ready to try it out?
Yep.
All right.
Cheers.
Okay. So it gives me a tropical flavor, you know. I think it's because of the pineapple juice. And it feels warm and inviting when you drink it, almost like when you walk in the door and Lukey Duke's there to greet you.
Exactly. Like when Lukey Duke is waiting at the door and barking to see if you're going to come in and give him a nice pet.
So it has a bit of a bite. And the bite, it's sort of like, because Lukey Duke goes off the hook a little bit. He barks a lot. So that bite to me attributes to his barking. Okay, Kareem?
But then you get some of the sweetness. Like when he comes and sits next to you to snuggle.
The rare occasions he does that, because, man, this dog is wired.
Yes.
Where's Lukey Dukey?
He is running around somewhere.
Come here, buddy. Lukey Duke. So this is the boy Lukey Duke, and this drink is in honor of him.
Cheers.
So, Kareem, Brew Broz Scale, 1 to 5. What are you rating Lukey Duke's Golden Growl?
Well, I'm going to give this 3.5.
3.5. Ladies and gentlemen, let us know if you tried this drink down below. Kareem gave it a 3.5, so it means there might be some room for improvement.
There is.
So if you tried it, let us know what you would recommend. How can we improve this drink?
And make sure you hit the notification bell to get notified on our next video. And like, share, comment, and subscribe.
And on that note, peace out, everybody.
Stay fly.
What if we could embody this? We're making a Brew Bros original called the Golden. What are you doing, Lukey Dukey? You throw me off. And in honor of our mascot, Mr. Lukey Duke here, we're going to make a Brew Bros original drink.
Oh, he wants to get on the table. All right. And you said dump the entire contents.
Dump all contents in there and make sure you throw a bunch of ice in there.
Am I missing something?
Oh, yeah, we forgot the alcohol.
Like, am I missing something?
Okay. And on that note, peace out, everybody.
Stay fly.
I think I have rosemary in my teeth. I think the whole time I had rosemary in my teeth.
Me too.
I'm just like this, like, cut.